Hello, in front of me I've got F1.25. In this video I'll show you how to start split screen. To start split screen, firstly go to local multiplayer. Next, enter split screen. Make sure that at least two devices are connected, for example keyboard or second controller. And next you can select F1.25 or F2.24. Now you can select round and track. Next, select your team, driver, and next you can change difficulty, assist, weather and time of the day, and more settings. Continue, then select start event. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.